We're cutting across to breaking news that's coming in on the avalanche rescue operations that are underway. So far, 32 workers have been rescued. Remember, they got stuck after an avalanche was reported in Uttarakhand. These were workers who were engaged in road construction work. Right now, a team of 65 people are engaged in the rescue mission, battling extreme weather conditions to try and pull out all of those who are stranded as a result of this avalanche. 32 people have been rescued so far. Ankit is joining us with more details on this. Ankit, do we have any updates on how many people still remain stranded, are yet to be rescued?
Akshita, well, this is a big sigh of relief. We can say that the big news coming in amidst rescue operations going on. And as for the latest update, 32 workers are said to be rescued and they are safe. However, they have not been brought to the base station, which is Joshimath, because of the weather conditions. And as soon as the weather gets cleared, they will be airlifted. And right now, let me tell you that there were some workers who had taken shelter in a container, and because of that, they were saved. However, so the rescue operations team were looking for them, and because they were taking shelter in the container, some of them were saved and some of them were missing. Now the numbers have arrived, and these are authentic numbers given by the administration, which says that 32 workers are safe. Now the rescue for 25 workers is still on, and the Army, the Assam Regiment 9th Brigade and ITBP personnel are going to do a joint operation overnight, and the whole night they will be digging into the snow and look out for the laborers. Akshita.
Okay, so you're going to see rescue operations continuing through the night is what Ankit tells us. 32 have been rescued, which is hopefully a good sign that those who were stuck in that avalanche did manage to get to some safe spots so that they could survive the initial hit of the avalanche. Do we have any details at this point also, Ankit, about injuries and those who've been rescued? What's their condition?
Well, as of now, there is no mode of communication between the incident site and the base station or the State Disaster Management Authority. However, the 32 workers who were rescued are safe. That is what they have told us, and the rescue operation is still on. Let us tell you that this is the main highway area between the Mana village to Badrinath, and there was an ongoing project which was carried out by BRO, Border Road Organization, and there was an avalanche point, and due to heavy snowing, the mountain was struck with the heavy avalanche, and most of the laborers were buried under the snow at 5 a.m. Now the rescue operations are still on, and the joint operations conducted by the Indian Army's Assam Regiment and ITBP are still on, and some kind of relief we are expecting next morning.
Okay, Ankit, thanks for those details. We will track the latest that comes on the rescue operations. 32 rescued. The hunt continues for 25 more workers right now underneath that massive layer of snow in Chamoli. And let's get you a detailed report about the big controversy playing out in Himachal Pradesh, with the BJP accusing the Sukhu government of demanding funds from temples in the state to fund a government scheme. The Sukhu government has, in fact, confirmed this and referred to the move as a good deed, saying, yes, temple funds will be used for government schemes. It helps the people of Himachal.
Himachal Pradesh Chief Minister Sukhwinder Singh Sukhu is under fire. The BJP has accused the Sukhu government of demanding funds from temples in the state for the Sukh Ashray scheme that aims to provide orphans with various facilities, including higher education.
एक तरफ सनातन का विरोध कर रहे हैं और दूसरी तरफ देखिए परिस्थिति ऐसी है कि हिमाचल प्रदेश में सरकार ने हाल ही में एक फैसला लिया है कि सरकार के पास पैसे नहीं है। उन मंदिरों और ट्रस्ट में जो पैसा है उस पैसे को सरकार के खजाने में जमा कर दें। मैं समझता हूं ये बहुत दुखद है, दुर्भाग्यपूर्ण है।
The BJP argues that the money from temples can be only used for Sanatan Dharma. The Sukhu government, however, justifies its decision, calling it a good deed. The Congress claims that the previous BJP government also used temple funds.
ये कोई नई बात नहीं है। मंदिरों में जो चढ़त आती है और उनका सदुपयोग जो है, उसका उपयोग मंदिर के निर्माण कार्य में और अन्य जो जनहित के कार्य हैं उनके लिए किया जाता है। तो ये रूटीन प्रैक्टिस रही है। पूर्व में सरकारें रही, वो उनके द्वारा भी जो है इस तरह की प्रक्रिया जो है वो लाती रहे।
The Grand Old Party urged the BJP to join the good cause.
They talk irrelevant things which is not true. They should see कि किस कॉज के लिए मांगा जा रहा है। अनाथ बच्चों के लिए आप भी आगे बढ़कर आओ। मैं बीजेपी के लोगों से भी आह्वान करती हूँ कि आप भी अच्छे कॉज के लिए इन बच्चों को इनका भविष्य सुधारने के लिए हम सब पार्टी से ऊपर उठकर इन लोगों की मदद करें।
Under the Sukh Ashray Yojana, 6,000 children have been adopted as children of the state, making the state government a foster parent of the orphans. With Kamaljeet Sandhu, Bureau Report, India Today.